Addressing strong urine smells and stubborn stains in restroom cleaning demands targeted action immediately. Start by identifying all urine-affected areas, including obvious spots on floors and walls, and less obvious zones like under partitions, behind toilets, and inside grout lines. For heavily soiled surfaces, apply a heavy-duty disinfectant rated for urine pathogens and follow the manufacturer contact time exactly to ensure odor-causing bacteria are neutralized. For organic stains, use an enzyme cleaner designed to digest urine proteins. Apply liberally, agitate with a stiff nylon brush where safe, and allow the enzymes to dwell until the stain visibly lightens. For porous surfaces such as grout or unsealed concrete, use a poultice of enzyme cleaner covered with plastic wrap to keep it wet for several hours, then rinse and repeat as needed. Mop larger floor areas with a pH-balanced deodorizing cleaner that contains surfactants to lift urine residues rather than simply masking odors, and change mop water frequently to avoid spreading contaminants. Always ventilate the restroom during and after cleaning by opening windows or running fans to remove volatile compounds and speed drying. And consider installing an automatic air exchange or scheduled ventilation for recurring problems. Common mistakes include relying only on fragrance to cover odors instead of removing the source, which only delays recurrence. Treat this by locating and treating the biological source with disinfectants and enzyme products. Another issue is using bleach on protein stains without rinsing first, because bleach can fix some stains and react with urine compounds, so rinse thoroughly and use appropriate cleaners in the correct sequence. A third problem is neglecting hidden areas like baseboards and drain lines where urine accumulates. Adopt a checklist that includes partitions, wall bases, underside of fixtures, and floor drains, and map a regular deep clean schedule for those spots. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that fits their skills. Our site also hosts a community discussion area where we and other members share practical tips and product experiences related to restroom maintenance.